Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can print content and lists via EP. This is great for when students don't have one-to-one devices or if the internet is down.
To print a smart lesson or an assessment, first it will need to be assigned as an assessment before exporting or printing the material for student use. Printing a smart lesson via this method will not include any information slides, as information slides are not included in quizzes. Assign a quiz and follow the usual assessment prompts. If you do not wish to assign the lesson to your learners, you can assign it to the staff class instead.
Once the assessment has been set, go into the Details section of the assessment and click Export PDF version. This will send a PDF to your email address. You will then be able to print that PDF as needed.
This is a great feature if you want your students to do their learning unplugged. Then later on in the week, you can use EP to assess the progress of your students' learning.
The Export PDF option will only be available for active assessments. If the assessment is closed, the option will be greyed out. To enable this option, you can reopen the assessment in the Details section of the assessment. To include the information slides, you'll need to create a pre-built exam in the content editor and import all of the content from your chosen smart lesson. Once in the content creator and correct subject area, click Create New Exam, then click Add Existing Questions. Select the smart lesson and all sections that you are wanting to teach and print. Rename your task and click Save and Back. You will now see this assessment in your content library. Click the three dots and select Assess Your Students. From here, follow the same steps as we went through before to print this smart lesson assessment.
Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to print EP content. Please reach out to your key contact at EP if you have any further questions.